Hey all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to prepare capsicum fried rice. So let's check out the ingredients. Take a saucepan, add 3 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, add bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. So now into this I'm going to add my chopped onions and chopped green chilies. Saute the onions until it becomes golden brown. So next into this I'm going to add my ginger garlic paste. Saute it in low flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add chopped tomatoes and cover it with the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. Now smash the tomatoes well. So next into this I'm going to add my chopped capsicum. Now cover it with the lid. So now take out the lid and then I'm going to add my boiled green peas. So now into this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and mix it well. So now into this I'm going to add my rice. Sprinkle some salt as per as your taste. Mix the masala and the rice together and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes in medium flame, and then I'm going to add some coriander leaves. So now our capsicum fried rice is ready. Transfer it into a serving bowl. Here you go. A quick and tasty capsicum fried rice is ready. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.